a home for future and option trading. Please subscribe the channel for latest updates. Subscribe now.
How to find best stock to buy. I am going to tell you a simple way to find stocks that have more chances to go up. If you can practice it, you don't have to depend on anybody.
What you should focus on? Only focus on stage 2 stocks.
What is stage 2 in stocks?
Stage 2 is the period in stock when a stock is in a long-term uptrend.
How to identify stage 2 in stock charts?
Wait, I am explaining. The current price must be above 50 moving average. 50 moving average must be above 150 moving average. 150 moving average must be above 200 moving average. All moving averages must be facing upward. Current market price must be above 22 rupees. Don't buy penny stocks. Current market price must be very close to 50 moving average. Price action should look neat and clean on charts. Now look for an entry point.